Mima and Zyaba are best friends.
Hi boys and girls, I am Mima and this is Zyaba. Welcome to our show! Zyaba, do you remember those beautiful parrots that we saw at the pet store? We even saw some parrots at the zoo. And I would like to make a craft today with the exotic bird, some kind of a fictional beautiful parrot. Are you ready? Ta-da! Do you want me to show you how to make this bird? It's very easy. Let's begin. Zyaba, what do you think about our project? Do you like the bird? I like it too! Thank you for watching our show! Remember to subscribe to our channel. See you next time! Bye!